Welcome to the unique wedding newspaper, the Newlywed Times. If you're looking for a creative, fun, and heartfelt way to share your love story and wedding day program, this newspaper wedding program template is the perfect gift for you. On the front page, you can easily add the couple's names, location, wedding date, and the bold headline, David and Sophia are getting married. It also includes a wedding photo and a heartfelt thank you message to loved ones. The wedding party, including bridesmaids, groomsmen, and family members, is clearly and sweetly displayed. Moving to page 2, you'll find a complete breakdown of the ceremony and reception schedule. From the main vows and the first kiss to post-ceremony fun like cocktail hour, photo session, dinner, cake cutting, and dancing. Each moment is accompanied by charming icons to help guests follow along and not miss a thing. Page 3 is where you tell your love story. From your first meeting and first date to a memorable proposal. It's beautifully written with romantic flair and complemented by key milestones in the long story short timeline. You can also share fun facts like how many dresses were tried, days engaged, or cakes tasted. The final page brings fun interaction for your guests. There's a love-themed word search game, a map showing where your guests traveled from, and lighthearted awards such as who came the farthest or who RSVP'd first. There's also a touching memory section for loved ones who've passed, plus some playful trivia like who will cry first or where's the honeymoon. This template is completely free and easily editable on Canva. You can change photos, names, colors, fonts, and content in just minutes. No complicated software, no watermark, no limits. Contact me and I'll send you the newspaper wedding template so you can share your special day in the most unique and memorable way.